We both know that there is the stereotypical perspective in Poland for female to finish master's studies and go into the family life. What do you think is the role of women in academia in Poland?
Okay, that's a very important question. Thank you for asking it. I think to each its own. If somebody wants to have a family, well, let's let him have a family after she or he finishes his studies. But if somebody wants to study and to study more, there shouldn't be any glass ceiling, and there shouldn't be any pressure on women to have a family. And what's the role of women in the academia? I think that's the same role which men have, to broaden knowledge about topics, and we shouldn't diverse between women or men, right? So they should have the same position. They should be deans if they want to, and so the same role as men.
Yes, and after your years of research and years of being so active in the Yiddish and Jewish studies fields, much broader than just Yiddish, what is your point of view? Do you think that women have a strong position there, or we?
So I would divide it into the Yiddish word and non-Yiddish word in terms of Yiddish studies and non-Yiddish studies. Because in Yiddish studies, I feel like women have a great position in Poland, and take for instance Yiddish Polish Yiddish Studies Association. It's mostly women, and the people who are in a board, I think there is one man, but the rest of them are women. But in terms of Jewish studies word in Poland, I feel that there is glass ceiling. I mean, there is more men who are on greater positions than women, but I think it changes because more women are entering this world, so it has to change. Our generation, I think, are the people who will change it.